Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. As you all know, my name is Khadija. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 7 and my today's video topic is why your English isn't improving. So, do you feel exhausted? Like you are watching English videos, you are listening to podcasts, you are writing new words as well, but still your English isn't improving. You're not improving. So let me tell you one thing. You are forgetting. And the reality check is you are not speaking. Yes. You are, listening to podcasts, listening to English videos, but you are not speaking. You are writing down things, but you are not practicing. The thing is, you want to become a good English speaker, not a good English writer, not a good English listener, right? So, if you really want to become a good English speaker, then you have to speak. You have to speak, right? Instead of writing down, you need to practice. You must practice. Instead of just listening videos, you just, you must speak. Here you are making a great mistake because practice makes a man perfect. So, let me give you an example of mine. Let's suppose today I have learned a phrase, let me straighten this out. Like, मुझे इसे ठीक कर लेने दो या मैं अभी इसे ठीक कर देती हूँ. Instead of just writing it down somewhere, I'll practice it. Maybe 2 times, 3 times, 10 times I'll practice it. I'll say, let me straighten this out, let me straighten this out, let me straighten this out so many times in just one single day. Right? So we all can understand English, right? We can understand English dramas, English podcasts, English movies, everything we can understand. But we just need to practice. We just need to train our mouths to speak in English. Okay? So please, as I told you before, practice makes a man perfect. Do practice. Yes, because English is just a language, nothing else. And languages always learned by speaking, not by just listening. So this is a step by step procedure and let me tell you everything in a nutshell. Step 1. Speak in English just by using simple words. Like you can explain your surroundings in English language. You can compliment someone in English language. Order breakfast in English language. You can think in English. And on the second step, you can remove errors. Remove all the grammatical errors, okay? And fix your mistakes. And on the number third, speak flawlessly without any mistakes. And on the fourth number, now you can add good vocabulary, advanced phrases, and idioms. But always remember my this one thing, never ever compare yourself. Okay? Your only competition is just with yourself. So don't compare, don't judge, okay? And keep going. Because a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step. So please keep going. And at the last, I must say, speak. Even if it's wrong, just speak. Because that's how you'll become a good English speaker in no time. And now, at the last, I am done with day 7 as well. I'll catch you tomorrow with day 8. Take care. Bye.